So, yeah, ayun lang. Busog na ako. Ay, bakit nag-ubad? Bakit nag-ubad? So, yeah, again, tomorrow is our dunk showcase performance sa Yokohama dito sa Japan. So to those na manonood, to those who come and watch the show, see you tomorrow. I'm very excited to perform tomorrow because I think this is one of the biggest stage na pagpe-perform namin dito sa Japan. And of course, we prepared a lot of performances, of course, and surprises for everyone. So yes, see you tomorrow and enjoy the show tomorrow. Hindi lang naman kami yung nandun. There's a lot of artists, like amazing artists na mag-perform tomorrow. So yeah, we're very excited. And sa lahat naman ng mga nasa Pinas na hindi makanood, it's okay. It's okay. It's not a problem. Not a problem. Sinasabing problem siya. I mean, picture ka nak. Chikik. Random. Ano yun? I mean, sa mga nasa Manila, may next time pa, so you don't have to be sad na di kayo makakanood. So it's fine. I know na kahit nasa Pinas kayo or nasa ibang part ng mundo, you're still cheering for us, supporting us. So tomorrow gagalingan namin. Please say ganbarimashou, ganbarimashou, ganbarimasu. Gagalingan namin. So I'm excited for tomorrow. And yeah, sa lahat na pupunta, see you tomorrow. We're very, 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 very excited. This is a very good opportunity for us to showcase not only our skills, not only our music, but also to share the Filipino culture through our music. So ganbarimashou. Ashita no performance to susuguyen. Isusugoi desu.